Hi everyone, here we are on our third weekend of lockdown.
Yep, that's right. It's we're in the Hunter Valley in New South Wales, and weekend number 3 of lockdown. So instead of going camping in the outback, we're actually camping out the back, in the backyard.
It's a perfect location. Everything works in the caravan, the TV, the microwave, the radio. It all works perfect.
We've got a powered site.
Yeah.
So normally we'd be sort of out roughing it, but this time we're living it up. It's just in the afternoon, it's 4 o'clock, and we're about to start a beautiful dinner. That's been cooking some amazing meals the last couple of weekends. I think weekend number 1 we had a roast lamb. Yep, and last week we had a roast pork. So we'll flick those photos on. Have a look at those. But tonight, what have we got tonight, Natty?
We've got sausage rolls tonight.
Sausage rolls. So we'll take you through and see how to make sausage rolls on the Weber. As you've seen, we cook a lot of stuff on the Weber, and does quite a good job. So yeah.
Cheers everyone. Stay safe.
Yeah, cheers, and we'll show you how we cook sausage rolls on the Weber. Enjoy.
Hi everyone. Tonight I'm going to make sausage rolls, and I've got the ingredients here to do that. I've just got some puff pastry here, some onion that I chopped up earlier, some grated cheese, some sausage mince that I purchased from the supermarket, some salt and pepper, some spray to spray the tray that the sausage rolls are going to go in, and this is the bowl here that I'm going to mix it all up in. Okay, so I've just put the sausage mince into the bowl. I'll add the onion. Just tip the onion in. And the cheese, I'll add the cheese in. Then just get the spoon and mix it all around. Add a little bit of salt and pepper. Give that a bit of a mix. Okay, then you just get all the mixture and pop it onto your pastry. I usually do 2 rows of sausage mince. Get your knife, cut down your pastry, and then fold your pastry over your sausage mince like that. And then give your tray a little bit of a spray with the cooking spray. And cut your sausage rolls up into any size that you like. I usually get about 6 out of one thing. Place them into your tray. Okay, now I've put them into the tray. We just take them out and put them on the Weber for about 40 minutes. Okay. We've just come out to the Weber, and we've got the tray down here and the trivet set up on there, so it circulates the heat around the sausage rolls and it doesn't burn the bottom. Our temperature is on medium, which is at the side here, for about 40 minutes. We'll see how they go. Hi everyone, well let's see how they've gone. Oh wow, they're lovely and brown. I actually turn them over halfway, about 20 minutes, and I turn them over so they brown all over. So yeah, they look really nice. Yum. Bit of sauce, and yummo. Just remember, when you're cooking them, keep them down low and cook them slow. Enjoy!